Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Mania Co-op. First, ensure you have two controllers connected to your system. Launch the game from your library. The game should recognize both controllers automatically, preparing you for a fun two-player experience. This simple setup is the first step to enjoying the game with a friend. Once your controllers are ready, navigate to the main menu. Select Mania Mode to begin your adventure. You can choose to start a new game without saving or load an existing save file. For player 2 to join, simply have them press any button on their controller. This action will bring them into the game, ready for action. In co-op, player 1 takes the lead, selecting their preferred main character from the roster. Player 2 will automatically control Tails, the trusty sidekick. Tails has the unique ability to fly, which is incredibly useful for reaching high places or saving player 1 from falling. He can also collect rings independently, contributing to your shared score. To maximize your co-op fun, remember to stay relatively close to your partner. If you get too far apart, the screen might struggle to keep up. Utilize Tails' flight to overcome challenging obstacles or to quickly recover from a misstep. Most importantly, communicate with your friend to coordinate your moves and conquer zones together. Enjoy the adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.